Ford armrest problems. That right there is what my elbow was sitting on every time I was driving the truck. Every time you lean on it, it pinches you. If you don't feel like spending 200 bucks on buying new covers, I'll show you a quick and easy way to fix it for you. Hey, I'm Kenny, and this is my truck. Alright, so what you want to do is get this over the edge, pull it straight down. It's pretty strong, so you don't have to be that gentle. Just keep working at it. It'll come loose. There's one. You do not have to take these off the vehicle. I'm taking them off because I'm actually taking out the center console and putting a nice seat in my Excursion. But I have them off, so I'm going to show you like this. There it is. And this is the nicer one that we want to put back on the driver's side rest. See, when we put those on, make sure you have the good side up. Put this on the passenger, it's going to have the bad side down. The trick to get these on, you take this plastic bag like this, makes it kind of slippery. That's nice and tight. Try to get it centered as best as you can. You can get rid of the excess. There you go. Now you can put this back on the driver's side, and you don't have the messed up armrest anymore. You should repeat the same thing for the passenger side, put this one back on, and like I said, the bad spot will be on the down side of the passenger side, so it doesn't bother anybody. Now it's all better. You can put this back on the driver's side. No more pinched elbow, no more messed up armrest. A lot cheaper than buying a new one. You can also get them from a junkyard. If you were going to get a junkyard one, you can get it off the passenger side and put it on just like this. The plastic bag doesn't make any noise. I know it seems like in your head that it would, but it doesn't. So you can just leave it right there inside the armrest.